The leader with golden hair will face a lady of strength and courage. The battle will be long and hard. A lady will sit on the throne of America, and her light will be seen as a beacon in times of darkness. The great lady will gather the fragments of the great kingdom, bringing unity and prosperity. My God, it's shocking what Nostradamus predicts for Kamala Harris. What do you think of this? What did you understand? Comment below in the comments. Well, now let's analyze each prophecy that resembles the future of Kamala Harris, Vice President of the United States and candidate for the 2024 presidential elections, with Joe Biden's withdrawal. Let's see what's in store for her. First woman in power. Prophecy. A lady will sit on the throne of America, and her light will be seen as a beacon in times of darkness. Analysis. This prophecy can be seen as a direct reference to Kamala Harris, the first woman and the first person of Asian and African American descent to become Vice President of the United States. Her rise to power as president could be interpreted as the light in times of darkness. The rebirth of unity. Prophecy. The great lady will gather the fragments of the great kingdom, bringing unity and prosperity. Analysis. Kamala Harris can be seen as the figure who will work to heal the political and social divisions in the United States, promoting a rebirth of unity and prosperity. The internal enemy. Prophecy. Those close to her will bring betrayal and discord, but she will prevail with wisdom. Analysis. This prophecy suggests that Kamala Harris may face challenges within her administration, but her intelligence and determination will allow her to overcome these difficulties. The battle of the century. Prophecy. The leader with golden hair will face a lady of strength and courage. Analysis. This prophecy can be seen as a reference to the confrontation between Kamala Harris and Donald Trump. The description of the leader with golden hair is often associated with Trump, and the lady of strength and courage would be Harris. The new alliance. Prophecy. A new alliance will be formed, uniting the peoples of many nations under a single purpose. Analysis. Kamala Harris may play a crucial role in forming new international alliances, promoting global cooperation on issues like climate change and human rights. The time of changes. Prophecy. Great changes will come with the passing of the moon. Power will be transferred, bringing renewal. Analysis. This prophecy may indicate the transition period between administrations, with Harris assuming control and implementing new policies and reforms. The voice of the people. Prophecy. The voice of the people will be heard, and a new era of justice and equality will be born. Analysis. Harris could be seen as a leader who truly listens and responds to the needs of the people, promoting an era of greater justice and equality in the United States. The meeting of the Titans. Prophecy. Two great leaders will meet on the battlefield of words, and the fate of many will be decided. Analysis. This verbal confrontation between Kamala Harris and Donald Trump during the presidential debates will be crucial in shaping the political future of the country. The wall torn down. Prophecy. The Great Wall will be torn down, and the people will see the truth behind the shadows. Analysis. This prophecy could symbolize the dismantling of political and social divisions, with Harris working to reveal hidden truths and promote transparency. The rise of justice. Prophecy. A new leader will bring hope to the oppressed and the disillusioned. Analysis. Kamala Harris, with her record as a promoter of justice, can be seen as the figure who brings justice and hope to those who feel marginalized. The guardian of peace. Prophecy. The lady will be the guardian of peace, seeking to resolve conflicts with wisdom and diplomacy. Analysis. Harris can be seen as a leader who prioritizes diplomacy and peaceful conflict resolution, both domestically and internationally. The awakening of nations. Prophecy. Dormant nations will awaken to a new dawn, guided by a firm and compassionate hand. Analysis. Kamala Harris may inspire other nations to rise and seek positive change, leading by example. The political storm. Prophecy. A political storm will sweep the land, but the lady will keep the helm steady. Analysis. Harris will face great political challenges, but her firm leadership will help maintain stability. The technological renaissance. Prophecy. New technologies will arise, and under her command, they will bring prosperity and advancement. Analysis. Harris may promote technological advances and innovations that benefit the U.S. economy and society. Healing the wounds. Prophecy. Old wounds will be healed, and a new chapter of peace will begin. Analysis. This prophecy suggests she will work to heal racial and social divisions, promoting a more harmonious society. The North Star. Prophecy. She will be the North Star, guiding her people through the darkness into the light. Analysis. Harris can be seen as a moral and ethical guide, leading the country through difficult times. The silent revolution. Prophecy. A silent revolution will bring change without bloodshed. Analysis. Kamala Harris could implement significant reforms peacefully and effectively, promoting progress without violence. The protector of borders. Prophecy. She will protect the borders of her kingdom, ensuring security and prosperity. Analysis. Harris may be seen as a defender of national security, working to protect the interests of the United States. The dawn of equality. Prophecy. Equality will rise like the sun, shining over every corner of the kingdom. Analysis. Harris may promote policies that ensure greater equality and inclusion for all citizens. The lasting legacy. Prophecy. Her legacy will be long-lasting, remembered for generations as an era of great change. Analysis. Kamala Harris may leave a lasting impact on U.S. history, being remembered as a leader who brought significant and positive changes. Nostradamus, in his centuries, not only predicted future events, but also left hidden advice for humanity to face the challenges foreseen. Here are some spiritual and mental guidelines inspired by Nostradamus's prophecies to deal with challenging scenarios that may arise, such as Kamala Harris's possible presidency and other world events. Cultivate inner peace. When the winds of change blow strong, the wise find refuge in the serenity of the spirit. In times of political uncertainty and turbulence, it is crucial to maintain inner peace. Practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and spiritual reflection can help maintain calm and mental clarity, allowing for wiser and more balanced decisions. Seek the truth. Truth shines like a light in the darkness, and only it can guide the right path. Nostradamus suggests that the search for truth is essential in an era of disinformation. It is important to seek reliable sources and verify facts before accepting any information. Truth should be the basis of our actions and decisions. Promote unity. Divided, we will fall. United, we will triumph. The power of unity surpasses the force of discord. To overcome challenges, it is vital to promote unity and cooperation. Working together, regardless of political, ethnic, or social differences, will strengthen society and facilitate overcoming obstacles. Practice empathy. Understanding the pain of others is the first step to healing your own soul. Empathy is key to building a more just and compassionate society. Understanding and putting yourself in another's shoes can reduce conflicts and promote more harmonious coexistence. Foster innovation. In times of crisis, innovation is the key that opens doors to new horizons. Innovation and adaptation are essential to face unforeseen challenges. Seeking new solutions and being flexible in the face of change will allow for prosperity amid difficulties. Value justice. Justice is the balance that aligns destiny. Without it, there is no lasting peace. Promoting justice and fairness is crucial to building a stable and prosperous society. Ensuring that everyone is treated fairly and with dignity will strengthen social cohesion. Strengthen resilience. Just as the tree bends with the wind but does not break, the resilient spirit overcomes any storm. Resilience is the ability to recover from adversity. Developing this skill will allow facing challenges with courage and determination without losing hope. Nurture hope. Hope is the star that guides the traveler in the darkest night. Without it, the way is lost. Keeping hope alive is essential to facing difficult times. Believing in a better future motivates positive actions and encourages others to keep moving forward. Nostradamus, with his prophetic vision, offers not only predictions, but also valuable lessons for humanity. By incorporating these spiritual and mental guidelines into our daily lives, we can navigate the challenges of the future with wisdom, resilience, and compassion, regardless of the events that may occur. Don't miss our next video. Global alert. What Edgar Cayce predicted is already happening and everyone is in panic. Discover the shocking revelations of Edgar Cayce and how they are unfolding right now. Click on the video to learn more and stay informed about what could impact us all. Watch it now, before it's too late. Watch